818. So far, this pullback has been on pretty light volume. I think we could see, some resistance around the 30 area, which is right where we're at. We'll have to see if that's somewhere I'm thinking about getting in. I don't see a defined area to take a stop, so I'll keep a close eye on it, see if I can do it here. 820. I believe we do have news coming out here at 8:30, if I'm not mistaken. That might be why we're seeing a little bit of volatility right now. But so far, this bounce back has been up on lighter volume. It's been more than half of the previous bar. But I'm just gonna kind of sit back and watch, I think, until the news comes out. 823, I'm getting some mixed signals right here, so I have not done anything yet. This pullback was on pretty good volume. This bounce was close to 3/4 of that volume, and then this pull down was about the same as this move right here. So, this might be a shortable area here, depending on how much volume we start to put in on this attempt to make a new high. But I think we do have news coming out here shortly, so I'll wait for some better confirmation than I'm seeing right now. Okay, 825 volume did pick up a little bit right here. So I don't have any clear signal on any direction here. So I almost hit the trigger to short right here in the 37 area, and it still might be a great area to short, but the volume is showing me chop. So okay, it's 8:30. This bounce here is seeing decent volume. If we can get a light pullback, probably down into the 28, 27 area, I would probably take that to the long side and probably have a stop around 20. Okay, it's 8:34. We have pulled back, and it did hit the number that I was talking about, 28. I never got filled. So I'd like to see it just kind of wick through it and maybe snag some around the 26, 27 area. Maybe we can run the stops that are below 27 and give me a nice entry price. But 28 may have been the number, and we may see a nice bounce here, but we'll see. Okay, 837, we made a nice quick pop, turned around, and we ran the stops. So we're here at 28. I still haven't snagged any to the long side. Volume is now at half of the previous bar, and looks like that might be it. Should have looked for an entry right around this area, but unfortunately I never snagged what I said I should have snagged at 28. But it was a nice area of support on a pullback on less volume, and gave you a nice risk to reward with your stop below this area right here, which I probably would have placed mine at 20. So 839, as you can see, that would have been a nice quick profit, and probably would have been looking to sell right around in here and buy in another pullback. But as you can see, if you buy into support or resistance areas, only when there is a volume confirmation that can give you some nice entries. So that's kind of the way I take my entries. I look for confirmation based off of those and things like that. So yeah, we continue to push. So I'll have to wait for my next setup.
Guys, got new high prints here now. NASDAQ not shorting it. Brent is, so once again, guys.